Our Rob Williams been hanging out this morning with his friends. He's live at the Fleet Feet in Oakley for a really great cause.
He moved outdoors now. Robert, good morning.
Yeah, it's hot out here, Frank, but guess what? Tomorrow is Dude Day here at Fleet Feet Sports in Oakley. If you don't know where it is, it's right across the street from the Essentia Tea House. That's Madison Road right there. Also, Mirabelle's, the restaurant, is here as well. Dude Night, a lot of great things planned for tomorrow here at Fleet Feet Sports in Oakley. You're going to have a lot of fun. You can watch a football game, you can get a CrossFit workout, but most importantly, you can get free prostate cancer screenings here tomorrow. So you might want to stop on by. You might want to bring the guy you love and bring him here so they're properly screened. One other thing, if you get involved, you could win a Mercedes for a month. Dan joining me this morning. He's with Mercedes-Benz of Fort Mitchell, which opened up, what, almost a year ago now?
Last October, October 1.
Dan Bell, why did you want to get involved in the Zero Prostate Cancer race and join its board?
Well, like so many families across the tri-state, we've all experienced many forms of cancer.
Sure.
Prostate cancer is certainly one that cannot be neglected. So Dude's Night is very important, and it's be great to have people involved in that and the run that is coming up. This is our second year to support this, and we're going to be back next year.
And don't you think the other great thing about it is that we need to get prostate cancer front and center? When you talk about breast cancer, there's a ribbon for that. It's pink. We know it. There is a ribbon for prostate cancer. It's blue. Most people don't know that.
That's correct.
So don't you think we need to do more to make sure it's in the forefront, just like breast cancer?
Absolutely. It's deserves everybody's attention and everybody's support to fight this horrible disease.
All right, so as I mentioned, Mercedes-Benz of Fort Mitchell allowing you to drive this beautiful car for 1 month if you get involved. We're just going to get you, give you a live look inside to see how beautiful it is. This is not the only beautiful car you have there at Mercedes-Benz there in Fort Mitchell.
We've got a few more, maybe 250.
250. Want to put some information up on your screen. If you are interested in taking part in the run, it's Saturday, September 6th. Registration starts at 7:30. The race starts at 9. You can find out more information at fox19.com. Dan Bell of Mercedes-Benz of Fort Mitchell. First of all, thank you very much for running a great shop, and thank you very much for being a good neighbor to all the people who live around here.
We'll see you at the race.
All right, we will see you at the race. We have much more Morning X to come.